Yo, what's up e-bike enthusiasts and future riders? I've owned over 40 of these things, so listen up. Here are 5 crucial things I wish I knew before diving into the world of electric bikes. Trust me, paying attention to these points can save you a ton of hassle. Let's get right into it. Number 1. E-bikes are heavy and cumbersome. Seriously, these aren't your grandma's beach cruisers. That one behind me? 68 pounds. Imagine carrying a small child. That's the weight we're talking about. Even folding e-bikes can surprise you at around 55 pounds. Think about lifting it onto a rack, into your car, or just moving it in the garage. Can you handle that weight? Point number 2, storing these bad boys is a challenge. If you're buying a pair, double that problem. My garage is packed. Forget those easy-peasy wall hooks for regular bikes. Hoisting a 70-pound e-bike onto a pulley system? Sketchy. You might need a shed with easy roll-in access. Seriously, where are you actually going to put these things? Tip number 3, transporting e-bikes stinks. That cheap bike rack you have probably won't cut it. You need a heavy-duty rack like this one costing around $1,000 rated for the extra weight. Otherwise, you'll be that person with the saggy, wobbly rack of shame. Even folding e-bikes are still 55 pounds to lug into your car. And if your e-bike has fenders, loading it onto certain racks can be a nightmare, causing damage. Do your research on bike racks. Number 4, and this is crucial. You'll probably ride it less than you think. Be honest with yourself, every ride requires effort. Getting the bike out, maybe loading it onto a rack, driving to a location. It's not as simple as hopping on a regular bike. Consider where you'll realistically be riding. Is it worth the effort for that hour or 2 of fun? Don't let your expensive e-bike become garage art. Finally, number 5, have a plan for when your e-bike breaks down. It's not an if, it's a when. These are complex machines. If you buy from a reputable brand, their support is usually good and local bike shops can help. But if you go with a lesser-known brand, finding parts and qualified mechanics can be tough. Build a relationship with a local bike shop that knows e-bikes before you buy. Trust me on this one. So there you have it. 5 things to seriously consider before buying an e-bike. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more e-bike insights. Check out the links below for those 2 awesome e-bike companies I mentioned. Now get out there and ride responsibly. Sigh.